Guys, this is Perry in another redstone tutorial. So in this tutorial, I will be showing you different useful tools in redstone Minecraft. Minecraft redstone, whatever. Either way. So this first one, you pull that lever and it just keeps sending a pulse around. So you can repeat things if you want. There's a few different ways to do that, like lighting and stuff. So every time it goes around, it would light it up. But there's different reasons you would want to use it. And you can pull the repeaters back to make a little bit slower. And there's so many different speeds you can use. It's crazy. Yeah, so that's number one. Number two over here is an inverter. So, basically, just a regular redstone. Here. Oh, sorry. Okay, so usually it would work like this. But in this case, here, let's do that. Alright, so in this case, this is an inverter. So when this is powered, it powers this block. And when a redstone torch, is in a powered block, then the redstone torch turns off, and then the redstone being powered by the redstone torch also gets turned off. So, so then the piston pulls the block down with it. But if this is off and the block is not powered, then the redstone torch turns back on, this redstone turns on, and the piston pushes again. That is number two. Number three. So this one is quite useful if you want to get a double layered piston. So let's just say this wasn't here. Don't look at it. Okay. So usually, you're like, how do I do this? How do I get both of them to be powered? When I first started out, this is what I did. I went and I just powered that, and then I went over here and did that, went from over there and did that. That works, but it's not as effective. See, what you can do this, put a block there, repeater going into it, and put a piece of redstone on top of that block that the repeater is going into. So, but then say you want to power 4. You can't do the same technique, see? It will power only the bottom ones. Here. It will only power the bottom 2 pistons. But there is a way to fix that. So the way I do it is, let's get a stone half slab. So you dig 2 spots down on the opposite side. And then you just put a repeater down like this. Put a piece of redstone down like that. It will push the bottom one. Now to get the top one. So you take a half slab and you put it on top of those. And then you put redstone there and a repeater there, and it pushes all 4 blocks. The lever pulls all of them back. Now, the reason that we use half slabs instead of full blocks, it will only push these 2 blocks over here, because it blocks off the redstone right there. See it move? It blocks it off. Half slabs do not do that. So, here. Half slab, redstone. So that is how to get 4 pistons all pushing in the same group at the same time. And you can do this a whole bunch of times just over. All you have to do is just put more and just do this like all over again. So it's very easy, and you can do this just like a whole line. You can make it taller. Making it taller is pretty easy. All you have to do is just well, yeah. Anyway, so what you can do, this one, this is the next one. This is, how to make a redstone signal go up easier instead of just making like, big spiral up. No, you don't need to do that. This one, it uses this half slab trick of not cutting the redstone signal off when you put it up. So it goes up to there, and then up there, and then up there, and then up there, and then up there, and eventually goes to this piston, which pushes down. It is very useful. I use it all the time. Now this next one is redstone torches. So when it's basically, you can use this concept, only a redstone torch is under the block, which is powering that top one. Doesn't connect, doesn't really make sense, but it happens. So it powers, this lever is powering that, so it's turned off, so that's when it's not off. But you do that, that turns on, because this lever is off. Then this turns off, that turns on, then the piston pushes, turn this one off, that one turns on, but this one also turns off. Now this one has the same concept, only it is on the side of the blocks, and it takes up just a little bit more room. It can be sometimes easier to use, sometimes harder. It just depends on what you're doing. So flip the lever, works. So that turns, and it uses a few more redstone torches. But like I said, sometimes you need it. So there you go. Theirs is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 useful tools in Minecraft Redstone. Hope you like this tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye!